Hey everyone, I'm Kelsey from Wearable Whisperer, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Fitbit Inspire. Most people don't realize that you don't need any knife or scissors to unbox this Fitbit. On the back, you should find a plastic tab with the Fitbit logo. You want to put your fingernail under that little tab to lift up the logo, and then pull down on the plastic. This will reveal a little thumb hold on the cardboard below that you can pull out, and now you've released that. And what you'll want to do is turn the box back over to the front and then pull on this little tab with the Fitbit logo and slide it straight out from the outer box. So there we go. We've got the Fitbit Inspire here. And looks like we can pull this out. And inside this little section, we have the extra strap, large size, and another proprietary Fitbit charger. And we also get some paperwork, safety instructions, and limited warranty in several languages. So that's everything in the box. This gives you some starting instructions that you'll need to download the Fitbit app. If you need help setting this up, I will make a video on how to do that, so be sure to check that out. So we'll go ahead and take off this plastic covering protecting the display. So we can go ahead and pull this off. So yeah, this is the first look at the Fitbit Inspire. First impression is very lightweight, and it has a keeper and a little clasp mechanism on the band. And on the back we have a Fitbit logo and some charging ports. No heart rate on this one. The band feels a little stiff. So let's see how easy it is to take these off. I assume it's similar to the Versa. Push in. Okay. So that wasn't too bad. Let's see if I can put it back in, because putting it back in always seemed to be more of a problem. I think you start... I don't remember what side you start on. Definitely requires two hands. Okay, we'll push it in. Oh. Looks like that might have been easier than the Versa. So it comes with the small band already attached, and if you need the larger band, that's the extra band. So you'll replace the side with the little loop to make it longer. Okay, so that's the extra band, and then the charger. Go ahead and just pull up on this flap. Alright, so we have a traditional USB type A, and looks like a magnetic charger. So as usual, we will align the pins, and there we go. So that's how you connect the charger. For additional information about the Fitbit Inspire, including a full list of its features, please visit wearablewhisperer.com/Fitbit Inspire, or check out the links in the description below. This is just the first of several videos I'll be making about the Fitbit Inspire, including how to set it up, how to compare it to other similar Fitbits, and my full review. Alright, if you have any questions about the Fitbit Inspire, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, if you liked this video, please like it by giving it a thumbs up below, and consider subscribing if you want to see more wearable reviews, comparisons, and how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.